Personal Finance Basics, Managing Your Money for Financial Success. Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about personal finance basics. If you're new to managing your money or you're looking to brush up on your knowledge, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from budgeting to saving, investing, and more. Part 1, Budgeting. The first step to managing your finances is creating a budget. This means figuring out how much money you have coming in each month and how much you're spending. To start, you should make a list of all your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, utilities, transportation, and food. Then, compare that to your income. If you're spending more than you're earning, you'll need to make some adjustments. Start by cutting back on unnecessary expenses or finding ways to earn more income. Part 2, Saving. Once you have a budget in place, it's time to start saving. Ideally, you should aim to save at least 20% of your income each month. This money can be put towards an emergency fund or long-term savings goals, like buying a house or saving for retirement. One easy way to save is to automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account each month. Part 3, Debt Management. If you have debt, it's important to make a plan to pay it off. Start by listing out all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, and car loans. Then, prioritize which ones to pay off first. Some people prefer to pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while others like to start with the smallest debt and work their way up. No matter which approach you take, it's important to make your payments on time and pay more than the minimum whenever possible. Part 4, Investing. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. If you're new to investing, start by doing some research on the different types of investments available, like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider working with a financial advisor to help you create an investment plan that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Part 5, Building Credit. Your credit score is an important part of your financial health. It's used by lenders, landlords, and even employers to determine your creditworthiness. To build good credit, make sure to pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid applying for too much credit at once. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful in learning the basics of personal finance. Remember, the key to financial success is creating a budget, saving, managing your debt, investing, and building good credit. By taking these steps, you'll be well on your way to a more financially secure future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on personal finance and other topics.